Yeah, the final part of the blast furnace is the lift loading mechanism, which looks like that, and also the unloading area for the ore wagons, which is an elevated section. So that's how that goes together, and they're the bits for it. Quite a few parts there, so stick that together now. There's a couple of errors in the instructions. These beams are numbered up as 165, the same number as these beams here, 165, in two completely different sections. That's a mistake in the instructions. There's quite a few mistakes in the instruction sheet manual that comes with this kit. 165 on the sprues should look like that according to the instructions, but these are labelled up as, I don't know if you can see that, 168. So there's quite a few errors on the instructions, the kit, so that's one thing to be aware of. Yeah, so there's the elevated section complete. Just got to make sure you level up the legs on the bottom. Pretty simple to make, goes together quite well, this section. So this would be an elevated track section, so you need an incline going up both sides. And you would probably need a different type of track to this, some sort of unloading track, standard track like Pico. Probably look better on this area, although there are slots around here on both sides, but obviously this is not suitable really, this Fleischmann track. But anyway, that's that bit done. The next bit is the lift going from this area around here up to the top of the furnace, which is these long pieces here and various few other sections. Yeah, so that's the elevated unloading platform, which is all now finished. You'd have the coal or the ore bucket, which would be on a winch wire, which would work in tandem with that bucket there, and that would dump its load into the top of the furnace right down there, and that's how it works in real life. So there we have it. Probably install some lighting, LEDs when finished. We've got three entrances to the main building for torpedo cars, etc., for loading up pig iron in liquid form to then take off to a steel factory nearby. You've got your two lines there on the ore unloading area, and then we have the slag cars, which is the excess unwanted material gets dumped into these wagons here, through those chutes there. It's taken off with a shunt and then dumped in a specialised area to then be recycled into road base. That's what they do in real life with that stuff. So there we go. Thanks for watching. I know it's been a bit of a tedious set of videos this, but anyone who's watched it, I've been following it, thanks very much.